those flies are gone now.
Yeah, I know.
They look like little bees.
They did. So this is the hike. Oh, down this way. But, and I know Mom's not gonna like this, but you can kind of see it's a good. Whew, I don't want. It told us that I think it was 900 meters to the bottom, which means that's about a what? 2,700 foot fall.
Mm-hmm.
And by the way, it said moderate fitness, which I think would describe me.
Which means good fitness American.
Yeah, exactly. Means decent fitness American. Moderate here is relative.
It hasn't been bad so far, right?
No. And I tell you what, it's nice and cool here in the under the shade and stuff. You can't beat this.
It's a little technical though. It's almost hard to look around.
Yeah. Shit, this is nothing. The rock things that we're used to in America with the... Oh. So we don't have a water... I can hear water. I don't see the waterfall anymore. It's got to be behind there. But there's got to be water down here. I think we're going to walk behind. Did the short one and the long one take the same kind of route? I didn't look.
It does at first. Oh, I see it.
You see what?
The waterfall.
Oh, do you? I can hear it. I can definitely hear it.
Wow.
Huh?
I feel fat.
Why?
I don't know, just like I feel bloated.
You didn't have the French fries.
I like reach down and like feel like I've got a fudge in my stomach.
Oh, I know I do. I've been eating French toast.
Oh, that's the perfect temperature.
Yeah.
A little pool.
Dude, this was such a perfect call. We're seeing water in here too, unlike yesterday. Oh, I see the waterfall, but it's way behind trees.
Yeah. This looks like it must be going down over the hill too.
Yeah. There's swimming pools down here. Oh, wow.